Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. I have a 2024 Sea Ray 370 Sundancer here to show you. This is a brand new model. Just got this boat in. Lots to show you. As you can see on the outside, we got the beautiful Sea Ray blue hull side color. And being a new boat, we really got a lot of options and different features to show you. So please join me aboard. All right, one of the big features I want to show you here on this 370 stern drive is the automatic swim platform. So a lot of swim platforms have just one platform to step on. This one, they have two. So you can see how nice and wide they are. So you got a nice step down into the water, or if you're in the water, really easy to get back up and onto the swim platform there. So this is just deployed at the press of a button. Your drives go all the way down and are out of the way, so you stay nice and safe. But if you're hanging out with your friends, anchored somewhere or near a sandbar or something, this is a great place to hang out and a lot of fun. All right, we are on the back of the 370 stern drive, and right now, as you can see, you got a nice massive swim platform with a nice walkway that gets right into the cockpit. But when you have it like this, obviously you're probably driving or cruising and hanging out. Now, an adjustment that you can do back here if you are swimming or hanging out with family, you can see these handles right here. This will drop down this backrest. I can have this kind of be a lay down area, but then you have another thing right here. You just open that up and you got a backrest that comes up and locks into place. So a couple people can be sitting right here. You got cup holders on that side. I've got some seats that can be right here if everybody's kind of hanging out in the back. So the other thing I want to point out is the shear shade. So if it's a beautiful day and it's really sunny and hot, you can hit the button. This will deploy out and keep you nice and safe from the real hot sun. So why don't you join me in the cockpit? All right, welcome to the cockpit of this 370 Sundancer Stern Drive Edition. So the cockpit is a great place to hang out with friends and family. You can see right here we have two tables set up. So you've got nice wraparound seating around this table and wraparound seating around that table. So your guests are just having a good time. If I'm the chef and I want to come up here, I've got a nice grill to grill on. I've got a sink right into here, and then we also have a fridge and your trash and a little bit of storage up into here, and then obviously the nice countertops here to prepare your food. You got cup holders everywhere. We've got lighting all the way around this cockpit, so it's a great place to gather and hang out with friends and family. Oh, and I totally forgot, we got a nice TV right here too in case the big game is on. So why don't you join me at the helm? We got some nice features to show you up here. All right, welcome to the helm of this 370 Sundancer stern drive. Very well appointed helm. Everything is right here at your fingertips. I like being able to put your feet up in here, have the bolster seat up. You got massive windshields, able to see everywhere around you. And then to help you out, we got the dual SIMRAD screens. You can have redundancy on either screen. You can cut them kind of in half with different information that you want. You have access to your lighting, interior, exterior. You've got access to windshield wipers. Just everything you're going to need is right in there. A little bit of the redundancy switches down in here. As far as your stereo system goes, we've got the upgraded Fusion stereo system. So you got speakers wrapped throughout the boat, all the way around in the cabin, in the bow, everywhere, along with subwoofers. So the music and sound is really nice. In this boat, obviously it's a twin engine with the Mercury 8.2 liter drives. And then you have your throttle system right here, kind of a new design for this year. And then you have your joystick control. So anybody in the boat with the joystick control around docks really can drive this boat sideways, reverse, and it also has skyhook. So able to put yourself into one spot without moving. It'll sit GPS. Skyhook is a lifesaver in certain situations, so great to have there. The other thing I'll show you here is the skylight. So at the press of a button, you can open and close the skylight to let in as much air as you'd like. So this is a great area, great place if you're the captain. Everything's right at your fingertips. All right, welcome to the bow of the 370 Sundancer. So Sea Ray, when they built the 320 Sundancer, had tons of success by adding an actual place to sit up here in the Sundancer lineup. So that has changed everybody's boating habits, being in a cruiser model. So you've got plenty of space up here. You got armrests, you got cup holders, you got places to plug in, you got access to your speakers, and then obviously you can see you have the nice teak table up here. So I mean, if it's a nice day out and you're hanging out with friends, you could spend all day up in here, be super comfortable, and keep having people bring you drinks and food up here all day long. So let's take a look at the cabin area. All right, welcome to the cabin of the 370 Sundancer. As you can see with the 370, we have a ton of space down here. If you plan to use the boat to sleep over in, or just to come down and hang out, get out of the elements, maybe it's really hot out, you have plenty of space down here to hang out with 4, 5, 6 friends. As you can see, I've got seating around here, and I do have a nice ottoman, so you can use this as a table. It does flip over, so it has a soft area on the other side. And then underneath, you do have more seating down into there. That can also turn into a bed with a pop-up TV in that area, with another TV here as well. And then if you do want to stay overnight, you can, there's a button that you can press, and this whole thing will come down and turn into a full bed into this area. The other thing I want to point out is the galley right here. So we have another nice countertop to prepare. You've got a sink, you've got your fridge, you got a microwave, and you have a trash bin as well. So, and then this is not just a wet head. There's a stand-up shower along with the head itself. So beautifully appointed, nice and tall. Somebody who's taller than me can really fit in here nicely. And you got your stand-up shower right in here as well. So the 370 Sundancer from Sea Ray Stern Drive Edition is here at our Rogers location, ready to be viewed. So if you'd like to just stop on by, you can do that. Otherwise, give us a call, set up an appointment. We'd love to walk you through this particular boat. As always, please click the like button for this video and click to subscribe to see all the videos that we're putting out every day.